Jumatatu rucini mihango tufuri-ini twa Ayahudi barabara-ini ya Wangari Maathai guku Nairobi igithie na mbere kuhaririria haria mutigaire Tob Cohen agirirwo guthikwo. Sarah Wairimu, umwe wa ekuirwo na mutumia wa mutigaire, akiumagario guku ni maabitha a njera ya atumia ya Lang'ata thutha wa igoti inene gwitikiria anyite itemi mathiko-ini maya.
We assembled here. Sarah is inside the cemetery. She was brought on time. She has been waiting.
No na thutha wa anyiti itemi othe gukinya guku igongona-ini riri ni ritireirio tondu kuri mitaratara iria yagirirwo ni kurumirirwo mathiko-ini ma muthinjiri munene ta Tob Cohen kuringana na witikio wa Ayahudi.
Cohen is a name given to a particular lineage of Jewish people. The Cohens then are considered as highest ranking in their Jewish faith. For a Cohen to be buried, certain rites must then be followed. After it has been removed and it's being prepared for burial, then 10 priests must be present.
Mutaratara wa mathiko maya wagirirwo kwambiriria moshari-ini na athinjiri ngai othe 10 matakinyite ona mwiri ndungirutwo moshari na koguo mathiko maya matingithie na mbere.
Each one of them has a particular part he will play in the preparation of that body before it is moved. In the absence of one of them, then the process is incomplete.
Mathiko maya magitiririo na muthenya ungi niguo kuhe mweke gukinyaniria maundu maria marabatarania nginyagia gaturumo ka muthia.
Cohen will be buried tomorrow at 2:30. This was an anomaly occasioned by religious practices. 10 priests plus the rabbi must be present.
Na mugaru na ndeto iria ikoretwo igitambio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ciigie niki gitumi kia mwari wa nyina na Cohen gucoka bururi-ini wao unduire-ini wa Ayahudi Gabriel ndari na itemi o riothe mathiko-ini na muru wa nyina niwe wagirirwo guthika Cohen.
In their faith, it's a brother who buries a brother. So really, Gabriel was going to be present, but then at the periphery.
Ona thengia wa Sarah Wairimu gwitikirio gwikinya mathiko-ini ma muthuriwe riu kibarua ni kuri wakiri wake kuhoya rutha muthenya wa keri niguo Sarah anyite itemi mathiko-ini maria matiritio kumana na witikio wa Ayahudi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.